This is Anthony Galliano for B2B Cambodia with a Ministry of Commerce update. In this update, we will discuss the Annual Declaration of Commercial Enterprise. First, let's discuss the Ministry of Commerce online business registration system. On the 4th of January 2016, the Ministry of Commerce formally launched the online business registration portal that allowed all existing and new businesses to register their companies on moc.gov.kh. The online portal acts as a single window for providing all services related to registering a business and keeping the business registration up to date. All new company registrations are processed through this portal, and upon successful registration, the applicant receives all the relevant documents for the Ministry of Commerce, General Department of Taxation, Ministry of Labor, and the National Social Security Fund. According to the Prakas 300, dated 29th of September 2015, all existing companies, branches, and representative offices registered in Cambodia were required to complete a re-registration process through the Ministry of Commerce's online registration portal. According to the law on commercial enterprises, every company registered in Cambodia must file an annual declaration in this online business registration system once a year. Companies failing to file an annual declaration will incur fines between R500,000 and 10 million riel per year. Failure to file an annual declaration for 3 consecutive years will result in a repeal of the business registration and license to operate in Cambodia. Fines for failure to submit the annual declaration of commercial enterprises are generally about Commercail $2 million or $500 for each year that is not processed. Furthermore, failure to update the annual declaration of commercial enterprises locks the company account. 1 month prior to due date, which falls annually on the company anniversary date of registration, the company will receive an annual declaration notification email to inform the company to update the annual report and pay a fee. A first reminder email will be sent to the company on the due date. An overdue reminder, 1 month overdue, and a second overdue notification reminder, 2 months overdue, will be following up the company hasn't yet submitted the annual declaration. A common mistake here is the wrong email. First, it is the company's obligation to be aware of the requirement, so log on to the Ministry of Commerce online system and submit the update on anniversary date or within 3 months of it. Second, the company should ensure the Ministry of Commerce has the correct contact email for this notification. So what is required to perform the annual declaration of commercial enterprises for the MOC? First, go to www.businessregistration.moc.gov.kh. Log in with the company user ID and password. Click on the company name. Click on the Edit Company button. Choose the annual deposit. Check the tax identification number and check the tax registration date. The process is to navigate the screens and in doing so, confirm or update the following information: the company's registered business address, the directors of the company and their details such as their residential address, the shareholders of the company, their holdings, their details such as also their residential address, the share capital of the company and the share classes of the company, verification of the relevant documents such as change of articles or other filings that the company may have done, number of employees, Khmer and foreign, and their position, the contact person's email and telephone number. If the information is wrong or out of date, the company must submit the changes to the Ministry of Commerce according to the procedures of the Ministry of Commerce. Once all this is done, then you click on the send button and a QR code will appear. The company will be required to pay 80,000 riel or effectively $20. Once this is done, an email will be sent to the company confirming the filing is complete with a receipt of payment. The B2B tip here is to set a reminder date when the annual declaration of commercial enterprises is due, which is every anniversary date of the registration of the company, which is on the certificate of incorporation. Be proactive, submit the annual declaration of commercial enterprises and the payment on time. This has been Anthony Galliano for B2B Cambodia with your Ministry of Commerce update.